Hi there, Tom here from FARRAN'S Technology, your friendly Irish mmWave company. Today I'm bringing you a message from IMS San Diego, where we've been exhibiting after a bit of a sabbatical over the last few years. There's many reasons, COVID being one of them. So we're doing what we call a passive demo here today. We have a live demo on the other table, passive demo on this one. So this passive demo shows our standard products, which are components, all the way up to systems and subsystems for frequency extension test equipment, all here. And on this side we're looking at a very much different type of scenario where we have customized product evolution for one customer that we have had for a number of years. So basically what we have here is a very high spec, high definition, high accuracy, high stability up-down converter, which a customer asked us to build, we being the only one who could do it at the time for them. So this was a 1 to 2 off. The customer then came back 2 years later and said, can you do a smaller version with pretty much the same capability and spec, but we need them in larger volume, 10 to 20 off. So we got the engineering people and the design people and built this. Following that, 2 years later again, their product was going into production and they said, we need to get something which is smaller, much smaller form factor, pretty much the same spec, but in higher volume again. So we went from this to these modules, which are now running in hundreds. So it shows FARRAN'S real strength in customization and taking away customer pain points and bringing them on a customer journey and a product journey to a solution that fits all of their bills. Thank you.